Yeah! Konbanwa minasan, Batsam desu.
Kat Mimi desu.
DKR channel yokoso, Philippine Kara.
Konkai wa
Ikimonogatari Bluebird, the first take.
Nihan no shimasu.
チャンネルのこれじと。それでは早速始めましょう。Ikimonogatari.
Yes.
Ikimonogatari.
We've reacted to her video before. Yeah, long ago. Oh.
They're like anime.
Yeah, you're right. Halal. Yosh. Okay, let's go.
行きましょう。
Huh? Beautiful start, and as I said before, earlier before this video, right? Or a little while ago, we've reacted to this group before, and yes, I think they're singing for anime again.
Yeah, I so love the beat. The beat it's a happy one. It made me dance for first time hearing it.
Yeah, sorry for cutting.
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you feel about that performance?
I love the texture of her voice. It feels like we're watching the an opening of an anime movie or series.
That's true. Yeah.
I so love the arrangement of the music. It's very very sugoi. See?
Really beautiful. So it says here in the first take, episode 383 welcomes back Ikimonogatari, Japan's national beloved band adored by a diverse audience, to the first take for the first time in 2 years. Yes.
They will perform Bluebird, the opening theme to Naruto Shippuden, which aired back in 2008. Enjoy this one-shot performance of a song has enjoyed great popularity domestically and internationally, featuring a live arrangement exclusively for the first take.
Naruto
Shippuden. I love Naruto.
That's why I can remember. Yeah, we reacted to their performance again from the first take also,
Mhm.
it was for same animation.
Yes, 2008.
Yes.
It's at the bridge. Yeah.
We are really enjoying it. The beat, the
Yes.
sound, everything about this performance of this group. It's Bluebird entitled.
I'm enjoying her voice. Her voice sounds not, loud to my ears. It's really swag. It's really how do you call this? It's really sounds like an angel. It's just that I'm
Really?
enjoying everything.
Really for animation.
Yes.
Blue sky. That blue sky. You're the drum. Aboy, ano, sola.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Yeah, I love it. That was so enjoyable. And as you saw, guys, we dance all throughout this performance. And we
Yes.
really felt that it is for animation. That's why, we've grooved like that.
Yes. This performance, the music really exceeded my expectation because everything is there. It's very joyful and it has a story. And of course, as a group, they have a good teamwork and their vocalist is really 100% yummy. Yummy in my ears. The texture is really fits the song.
Arigatou gozaimashita.